Hello, taco lovers. Today we are making Bunuelo tacos. Mm. So Bunuelos are a traditional snack that you have on New Year's Eve. It's basically a cinnamon sugar tortilla, and I decided to make those into a taco today. And since tomorrow we will be having New Year's resolutions, I am using this video to talk about resolutions, setting up what we are going to commit ourselves to not doing in the coming year. Things that we have said that we are going to do and procrastinate about, put off, and feel guilty about. Maybe it's making a family plan, making it's learning a language, something that you feel bad that you haven't yet started on. So take a look at the bucket list items that you have, the plans that you have, those things that are out there that you haven't started and that you feel bad about not having started, and decide which of those you can put off, remove from your to-do list without any guilt. So for mine, we were planning on taking several trips before I got laid off. So I'm going to remove a return trip to Japan. So I'll be removing the Japanese pilgrimage that I was planning to make because right now we can't afford it. And there are other things that I can put my money toward that would make my family happier. And in doing so, I would enjoy spending time with them. To make these Bunuelo tacos, we're going to mix 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of shortening, a 1/2 cup of hot water, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together until it forms a nice dough, and then cover and let sit for 15 minutes. Next, we're going to roll those up into little balls. This will make 15 tortillas, and roll those balls out into flat tortillas. Reheat a wok with oil. Cook the tortillas in the oil. Use tongs to turn the tortilla into a taco shell shape as it cooks. Once that's cooked, sprinkle it with cinnamon sugar. Once this was done, we added vanilla ice cream, chopped strawberries, some whipped cream, and a sprinkling of cinnamon. All right, we're going to try this out now.
Oh god, that's great.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any other recipes that you'd like to see in the future, please let me know in the comments below. Or you can also let me know what you thought of this taco in the comments as well. Have a great day here.